Open House Sunday, August 4th, 12:30 to 2:30 p. Come see this beautiful two-story home with a large wrap-around porch. The home sits on a large 0.75-acre lot with beautiful landscaping, sprinkler system and large 2+ car garage that could be a tandem 3-car with an additional garage door off from back of garage. The large backyard comes with a playset, shed and fire pit. Everything you need for those perfect summer nights. As you enter the home, you are greeted with a spacious living room with gas fireplace and open to dining and kitchen area. The kitchen features great counter and cabinet space, kitchen appliances included. The dining area offers slider to backyard and wrap-around porch. The main floor offers an abundance of storage and closet space, with a large laundry area, separate pantry, and large entry closet offering plenty of room for coats, shoes and more. A main floor full bath completes this level. The upper level offers the primary suite with 2 walk-in closets, and access to large full bath. There are 2 other bedrooms and lots of closet space on this level. The lower level basement is fully finished with a large family room featuring built-in sound system and plenty of storage space. Updates include newer carpet in living room and basement level, extra large